Now, another concern as youth and high school sports resumes this season, COVID-19, of course. Now, Michael Aaron is live at War Memorial Stadium, which is preparing to host the state's largest high school football game. We all know it. It is the Salt Bowl. Good morning, Michael.
Yeah, Hayden, good morning to you. Just 2 days from the Salt Bowl now between Benton and Bryant here at War Memorial Stadium. And whether it was the Salt Bowl or another sporting event this time last school year, there were mandates in place by the Arkansas Department of Health, including capacity and ways that players and coaches needed to handle themselves on the field. Well, now those mandates are guidelines all across the state, and the Arkansas Department of Health is working with school districts in order to get those guidelines in place for schools and help them make their decisions. Dr. Joel Tumlison, an outbreak response physician for the Department of Health, says that the agency is working closely with school districts, and he's not been made aware of any major outbreaks within sports teams so far this school year. One thing going for us this school year, he says, vaccines.
But hopefully, if you get a team that has a large percentage of those kids vaccinated, obviously that's going to be more for junior high and high school teams we've been talking about there. Hopefully then that will limit the effect of any positive cases within that team.
Of course, the Pfizer vaccine is available for kids ages 12 and up. That would include many of those high school and junior high kids. But here at War Memorial Stadium, we know that tailgating is a huge part of the Salt Bowl. It'll be an all-day affair with hundreds, if not thousands, of people here. There will be a vaccine clinic, so they will be giving the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. That is the one-dose shot that's available for people 18 and up. Those will be given out from 2 to 7 o'clock that afternoon, that evening, that's Saturday, here on the east side of the stadium as those tailgates are underway. That's a partnership between the Department of Health and the Arkansas Center for Health Improvement. The Salt Bowl Committee says that it is monitoring the COVID-19 situation and that it will keep fans and parents and you at home updated as things change. Of course, the guidance from ADH is that fans stay spread out if at all possible and to wear masks if they are in close proximity to other people. Back to you.
Michael, thank you so much. I'm really curious, how is high school football impacting vaccine rates across Arkansas so far?
Well, Hayden, the international news agency Reuters actually profiled Fordyce down in Drew County earlier this week, or last week I should say, and get this, they say that the number of 12 to 18-year-olds receiving the vaccine rose nearly 400% in the last 30 days. Shots administered for all ages rose 21%, and when they talked to people in Fordyce, they said that, yes, sending their kids back to school and the safety there had something to do with it, but so did the high school football season, because they know just the impacts that COVID can have on a season. It can bring it to an end very quickly, so they do not want to see that this year.
High school football, a very, very big deal here in the state of Arkansas. Michael, thank you so much.